Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for pediatric nursing. Begin by building a strong foundation in child development from infancy through adolescence. It's crucial to grasp the distinct physiological responses of children, which often differ significantly from adults. Pay close attention to age-specific communication strategies, as talking to a toddler is very different from a teenager. Also, familiarize yourself with common pediatric medications and their precise dosages, as even a small error can have serious consequences for young patients. Understanding developmental stages is paramount in pediatric nursing. Dive deep into theories like Erikson's psychosocial stages and Piaget's cognitive development. Practice how to conduct a physical assessment tailored to a child's age, making it a positive experience. Memorize the normal vital sign ranges for infants, toddlers, preschoolers, school-aged children, and adolescents, as these vary widely. Being able to spot developmental delays early is a critical skill for any pediatric nurse. Focus your study on the most common pediatric conditions you'll encounter, such as asthma, bronchiolitis, and gastroenteritis. Understand the specific nursing interventions required for both acute and chronic childhood illnesses. It's also vital to know the recommended immunization schedules and the rationale behind each vaccine. Furthermore, become proficient in using various pain assessment tools, like the Wong-Baker Faces Scale, to accurately gauge a child's discomfort, as they may not always verbalize it. Family-centered care is the cornerstone of pediatric nursing. Always involve parents and guardians in the care plan, respecting their role as primary caregivers. Cultivate strong communication skills to effectively convey information and address concerns with families. Be aware of the unique ethical dilemmas that arise in pediatric practice, such as assent versus consent. Finally, understand your crucial role as a child advocate, knowing when and how to report suspected child abuse or neglect to ensure their safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.